Hi, welcome to Restoration from Within. My name is Kat Pons and I'm your restoration mentor. Here at RFW Camp, what we do is we work with women who want to go back to an overall healthy place. Women who are ready to take better care of themselves, for themselves personally, for their family, but most importantly for God. And one of the ways that we're doing that is by launching our newest product, and is Restoring the Temple: 7 Steps to a Healthier You. In this product, God has imparted in me some information that He wants to share with you. Yes, you. If you are tired of being all over the place, or wanted to learn what's God's original plan for you, and tired of eating all those processed foods and feeling all sick and achy all the time, then this product is exactly made for you. It's tailor-made. And I wanted to show you the cover. I'm excited. Can you tell? The cover is Restoring the Temple: 7 Steps to a Healthier You. And in this 4-disc audio CD, you'll also have a note taker included. You'll learn God's original plan for your life. You'll also learn 8 temple destroyers, those things that, break down your temple and put it in ruins. And also, you'll also learn the 7 steps to a healthier you. It's a personalized plan so you can start your restoration journey. This product right here, what it's going to do is going to build that foundation, the foundation to your health journey. Because without that, you always have to have a strong foundation so you can build upon it. That's what's going to determine from it being broken down to it being a fortified unit for you to continue on into this health journey and live and fulfill the destiny that you have and the purpose that you have in Christ. So today, throughout this virtual party that we have today, we're going to cover some things, and I just want to make sure I say them all. All right, the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to show you an image so you can see it for yourself and what it covers and the benefits and the features that Restoring the Temple: 7 Steps to a Healthier You has. And throughout the day, I'm gonna give you some tips also from the product, and I will also share some giveaways, and I'll do some live Q&A questions if you have any. And we also have some testimonies as well. But the kicker is, the best one that I have in store is I have a 30-minute massage, and also I will be giving away a Restoring the Temple: 7 Steps to a Healthier You. It's an R&R package just for you, but you have to actively participate throughout the whole event today. And you will be entered to win, and I will post a winner tomorrow. Okay? All right. Well, thank you so much again, and let's blow up Facebook. And thank you, and have a blessed evening. Yes. Whoop, whoop. You ready for the party? I am. Whoop, whoop.